Hello dear students, we are working mainly the non-trading organizations. Today is the last problem, and you know that you might have got an understanding and a command over these problems. What is income and expenditure account, and what is balance sheet, receipts and payment account, adjustments, where to take all these things. If we have a good understanding, this is the last problem. Let me explain. After that, you try to work out and check out your problem with the answer. Okay. So what is given to us? Receipts and payment account, asking us to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Now here payment side, salaries, all the payments will be on the expenses side of income and expenditure account. Salaries, expenses, so credit to debit. Rent also expenses, so credit to debit. Repairs is also expenses. Here to debit side you will write. And gym equipment, it's an asset, so balance sheet asset side will write. Inverter is also asset, so it comes on the balance sheet asset side. Balance, this is the opening cash, we will be writing in the cash asset side. And debit side, first balance is not required. Subscriptions, it's an income, debit to credit. Interest on investments, this is also income, credit side. Interest on deposits, this is also income, credit side. Entrance fee, amount is small, so we can take it here, credit side. And this is over. Adjustment, subscriptions received included 1000 for the previous year. In subscription, last year amount is included, this will deduct it. And previous years, no, so this second time it doesn't comes in the balance sheet. Last year's we never take it into the balance sheet, but anyway this is to be deducted from the subscriptions. Okay, we are going to deduct it, this one. Next one, subscriptions outstanding for the current year means receivable. Receivables means will add. One time will add to the subscriptions in the income and expenditure account credit side, and balance sheet receivable means balance sheet asset. One time is we are adding, another time balance sheet asset. Next, outstanding salaries payable. So to the subscriptions adjustment is there, so we'll put like this. Salaries also adjustments, outstanding salaries means payable. Payable means will add one time. Another time will be balance sheet outstanding payable, balance sheet liability. Next, half of the entrance fee has to be capitalized. Half capitalized means half will take it here, the rest of the half balance sheet liability. Capitalized means balance sheet liability. Sometimes they may be saying it to full amount to be capitalized, means total entrance fee will take it here if it is full. Now half they are saying, half here we are going to take. Okay, and so we'll put a tick mark here. Entrance fee, there is an adjustment. Next, gym has an investment of 20,000. It's an asset, balance sheet asset side will take. And total capital fund 24,000. Capital fund will be here, inner column. So that's simple problem. So go ahead and work out. Pause the video. After working out, if it is tallying, just pat yourself, self pat. Good, you have done. Any doubt, check it out with my answer. So let me work out this. So we'll start with the credit side, payment side. Salaries, credit to debit. Expenses, no? So two salaries, we'll write it in the inner column because there is an adjustment, 11,000. What is that adjustment? Outstanding salaries 1,000, add outstanding salaries 1,000, so it will be 12,000. Salaries over. Now rent 1,400. Next, repairs 2,400. Gym equipment, it's an asset, so asset side will take. First we'll take the cash amount 3,500, and now gym equipment 4,000. After this inverter, it is also asset. So balance sheet asset. Inverter 2000. Next after that, now debit side, receipt side to credit side. Subscriptions, there is an adjustment, so we'll write it in the inner column. Buy subscriptions. It is 14,000. Subscriptions, what is there? Received included 1,000 for the previous year. Last year's minus last year's. You can write subscription, last year's subscriptions. How much it is? 1,000. One more adjustment is there, so I have written in the inner column. Subscriptions outstanding for the current year receivable. Receivable means add outstanding of current year. 1,500. It is 14,500. Outstanding receivable. Receivable means balance sheet also it comes on the asset side. Outstanding subscriptions. $1,500. Remember last year's amount, it will never come in the balance sheet. No, just ignore it. That just simply deducted, that's it, but not in the balance sheet. Next, where we are, subscriptions are over. Subscriptions. Next, interest on investments, it's an income. Interest on deposits also income. Both the incomes will write it on the credit side. Interest on investments. $2,000. And interest on deposits 500. Entrance fee, half is to be capitalized, half only will take. Entrance fee, half means 4,800, half 2,400. Half year, entrance fee. Over. Subscriptions taken, interest on investments, everything is over. Now, subscription received included last year's. Last year's is already deducted. Once again, it doesn't comes in the balance sheet. Subscriptions outstanding current year. Outstanding means one time taken here, and receivable, so one time here. Next, outstanding salaries, one time here, and outstanding payable liability. Outstanding salaries 1,000. Next, half of the entrance fee that we have done. Gym has an investment of 2,000. Gym investment asset na, so we are writing on the asset side. Gym investment 20,000. Then capital fund is balance sheet liability 24,000. Always inner column, because surplus or deficit we are going to get from there. I think everything is posted properly. Now we can close the account. Which side is more? 14,500, 16,500. Yeah, its credit side is more. $16,500, 17,000, 17,000, 18, 19,400. Am I right? Let me check it out. 14,500 plus 4,400 plus 500. Yes, 19,400. 19,400 minus 12,000 minus 1,400 minus 2400. It is 3600. This is surplus. Surplus is to be added here. Add surplus 3600. Totally 27,600. 27,600 plus 2,400 plus 1,000. It is 31,000. And also on the asset side, if you see, 3,500 plus 6,000 plus 1,500 plus 20,000, 31,000. Can note down or take a screenshot. When I was student, when the problem was tallying, I used to feel very happy. Tallied, okay, over. Next examination, this was my expression. Over, completed, got a double energy to work out the rest of the problems. In that way, if it is not tallying, always I used to check everything posted properly on with pencil, like as I put tick mark na. This is my routine life right from student life. Checking once again and fighting with the problem, why I am not getting it. Suppose after lot of struggle, still if it is not tallying, then what I used to do, I used to work out the rest of the problems, everything completed rest of the time. Whatever grace time is there, fighting with this problem. That's it. So anyway, so today, non-trading accounts, non-profit organizations, non-commercial organizations, this chapter finished. And there may be some more problems, lot of problems. You take out your textbook, prescribed textbook as per your syllabus, any textbook you take, but method is same, calculations are same. And following this method, you take out any problem and work out and see. As I said, keep on talking to yourself so that it will be clear for you to understand the subject, and also you will not make any mistakes. It will be practice for the coming problems also. So make a habit of that. And next I'll take a new chapter. So stay connected to this channel. Lot more subjects already I have covered. Please check it out in the description box, or you can go to the playlist. There you can find like business law, statistics, accountancy, financial accountancy part 1, part 2, financial management, few chapters, management accounting, BCRW. So all these subjects already covered. Please check it out and use it. Refer this channel to your friends, juniors, seniors, everyone, so that they'll also get the benefit. Don't be selfish. Sharing is caring. Okay? Wish you good luck. Take care. Have a bright future.